Today, I'll be sharing with you the secret of making a very tasty tomato stew that took me so many years to discover. Stay tuned to the end of this video and I will be teaching you how to make the best tomato sauce ever. Hey, this is Dekas and you're welcome to my channel. In making this delicious stew, you need to select the proper ingredients and in the right quantity. I will try to leave in the description the quantity and the measurement needed. You're going to blend the chili peppers, the tomatoes and the onions smoothly. If you want to get the best of this stew, then you boil and make sure the water dries before we start cooking our food. We're going to be using protein. You could use any protein of your choice, from goat meat, chicken, whatever you feel comfortable with. I'm just going to be using beef for today's own. I do use other proteins for my stew. So we're going to be seasoning this beef very well with just onions and seasoning cubes and salt and just curry powder, because I had it at home. I wanted to season this meat so that this meat will be tasty while eating. So after, we're going to cook till tender, then we'll start making our stew. While making our stew, I always advise use the best vegetable oil. I fried back my meat. You could not fry your own if you don't want. You can grill your meat and add back later, but I prefer frying mine. It gives me that taste I really love. After frying, remove the meat from the oil, then add some more onions to your oil. Fry to release that flavor from the oil, then add your tomato mix. Remember that you could also use this tomato mix if you're making Nigerian jollof rice. So you can as well store this tomato mix in your freezer when you're done with it. So the tomato is already half done. So we're just going to be frying in the oil to also bring out the flavors in the oil. We're going to be adding seasoning cubes to these tomatoes, then salt to taste. Today's own, I'm going to be adding a natural spice. So I did not put things like dried curry powder to my stew, or thyme or any other spices that are powdered. I just wanted to cook the stew with these spices. So after you add back in your fried meat into the stew, add your meat broth, then turn more, cover the pot, cook some more so that everything will cook well and the flavors released, Then when this is done, you add your curry leaves. This was my local spices I was telling you about. It reminds me so much of my childhood. Some Sundays we just cooked our tomato stew with just curry leaves, and trust me guys, it's very delicious. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your engagements on my video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Bye.